Jununiyat. How you define it? First of all, Pulkit.
How do you define Jununiyat?
Yes.
Jununiyat means passion. Passion means anything that you can give your life away for. What can you give your life away for? Something that means so dear to you. What means so dear to you? That would be the way you love your family, the way you would love your loved ones, the way you would love your friends, and the way you would love your work, so that it doesn't feel like work. And this all is what is Jununiyat
Do you
for
want
me.
me to answer or no? Or
Of course.
The only job is to steal answers from your co-actor.
See, so that you sound nice and sophisticated, I fumbled and I said passions. Okay? So,
Which we just didn't hear.
so you look good now.
So, what about you?
I just told you, you stole my answers.
No, I'm not said food.
Yes.
Yes.
No, I said it totally right. I think for me, passion is my family. Passion is passion in that passionate love for your, I think, loved ones and your work. I think this is a very very passion driven industry. अगर आप में passion नहीं हो तो आप अच्छा काम नहीं कर सकते, अच्छी पिक्चर नहीं बन सकती है. और हर टीम मेंबर में passion चाहिए. Be it from actors to the spot boy for their work.
Except acting, what is your passion?
Food.
And yours?
You know, actually, this is a very common thing for the two of us because we both have come from different cities. I've come from Delhi, she's come from Chandigarh, and to leave your family and come here, in spite of being a very family-oriented, very homesick person, I think it's the passion that drives you here, and it's the passion that you love your family with that keeps you connected to the roots. So I know this is your answer, but that's because it's a common thing. So कोई भी बोल दे यार, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? तुम मेरा डायलॉग बोल देना.
प्यार तो सब करते हैं.
सुहानी.
सुहानी.
Call me सुहानी.
प्यार तो सब.
Try से मैं डालूंगा.
प्यार तो.
नहीं शुरू से.
प्यार तो सब करते हैं.
नहीं मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करती हूँ.
मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ जहान. मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ सुहानी. मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ सुहानी. और
Come on, you don't know my dialogue?
But because that's your dialogue. और प्यार तो सब करते हैं सुहानी. पर हर प्यार में जुनूनियत.
हर शेर में अल्फाज तो होते हैं पर हर अल्फाज शायरी नहीं.
He makes me look stupid in every interview by doing these things. You should ask me my dialogue. That's how you make me look stupid in every interview.
Your dialogue is what? Hello everybody! What is that dialogue? Is it a dialogue?
I don't have any dialogue. I dance. Yeah. Not here,
So
but the
now
film.
do some, tell some romantic dialogues between you and.
हाँ वही तो.
एक करो ना.
बताओ अभी तो क्या?
For our viewers.
Listen guys, it's enough of these romantic dialogues and all that. Go for the movie 17th of June. It's not very far. That's why
17th, 24th.
17th.
Change किया?
जी.
बताते नहीं तुम. Hello,
अभी-
T-series.
अभी बता रहे हैं तो now we're coming on 17th June, which is even closer to make your close
Yes, you
ones
can
come
find out
even
the
more
release date.
closer. And
मत जाना उधर गलत डेट. 17th June. We're very excited to come a little early because we finally get a solo release then, and the response has been great. So we are very confident about the thing.
I think you are getting wrong because on 17th ऐसी खबरें आ रही है कि शोरगुल मूवी जितेंद्र जी की है वो भी शायद से 17 को रिलीज हो रही है.
we're wrong in what?
देखिए ऐसे
you
ऐसे बहुत सारी
said
films
that,
होती है. I'm talking
solo
about
movie मिल रही
I'm
है,
talking
that's
about I'm talking about a release that takes it becomes easier for us to get maximum number of screens then, and the release becomes a little wider as compared to sharing the screen space with 5 films that were coming on the 24th. We would have got 1/5 of the screens. Okay, it gets divided. So now we get we get all the screens.
But if it is true what you're saying, we will also be one of the audience and love to watch it. Why not?
Yeah. What
Yeah,
makes
I'll
it-
watch Jununiyat. I'm very Jununiyat about my film.
I would want audience to watch Jununiyat. And I would
Please join me
watch
and
them.
watch it.
Yeah.
म्यूजिक की बात करें काफी पसंद आ रहा है म्यूजिक को.
क्यों?
पसंद आ रहा है लोगों
क्यों?
को.
क्या उसमें ऐसा खास?
आपको पता. वही तो
उसमें
मैं
ऐसा
पूछ रही हूँ
खास
आपसे,
है
वही
कि
मैं
यामी
पूछ
जी
रही
ने
हूँ
उसमें
आपसे.
डांस किया है.
वही. आपने भी डांस किया है.
मैं तो कर लेता हूँ यार ये.
Again, he made me. I have been saying very good things about
अरे
it.
but you've not
Don't
done a
make
dance
me-
number before.
People
यार.
have seen only my fair side, not the unfair side.
Yeah.
So, no, I think we're very happy that the music has got a very good response, because like a love story here, it's incomplete if without good music, especially in Bollywood. And we've got some amazing numbers. And what I like about it is what people are maybe I think I'm assuming liking ki ek club number hai, something as I think hit as Nachange, which is already I think huge. We have a Holi track which is his favorite, and he wanted to always have a personal Holi track on which he can play Holi. And he's done.
Luckily, it's loved by people, so I'm not the only one who's gonna dance on that.
Okay, so and then we have Ishq Dilat, which is a romantic track. We have Mujhko Barsat
Album
Bana
hello,
Do, which
because
is
गाने में गाने बताइए और उसे. Tell us something special about the songs. Tell us some nice memory about a song.
which one?
Why did you talk about Mujhko Barsat Bana Do on Dal Lake when we shot?
Yes.
When we were not allowed to pee for 8 hours because we were in the middle of the lake, we were not allowed to leave the Shikara from there and go to the base
Yeah.
to even pee. So for 8 hours, if you see any passion that we have in that romantic shot, it is because
We
we
wanted to wrap
both wanted to pee very badly.
We want to wrap up and just like go. But yeah, I think it's come out really well. The Shikara. That was the first time I'd been to Kashmir and on Dal Lake, and also I think all the experience I think of working on all the songs of the film, amazing. I think it's been fab.
The Holi song we shot on Holi.
Yes, that's special.
यामी जी मैं आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ
Yami
कि
ji, Yami ji. Okay, that sounds like that. Honey Jankiri.
हाँ कश्मीर में हमने देखा है कि आपने शूट किया है और वो भी रेड वन पीस में. So how difficult
Difficult now, correct? He doesn't agree.
Exactly, and he was in
Sweaters and blazers.
Yeah, exactly.
See, I also have my audience and my supporters.
मुझे लगा इनको बहुत सर्दी लग रही है, इसलिए मैंने अपना ब्लेजर उतार भी दिया सॉन्ग में. आपने देखा होगा.
कब उतारा है?
When I gave it to you, you must be feeling so cold. Please take this. Then you only took it off. I want to show my body.
Funny. I think my respect.
Can't. मेरा who was doing this?
He does it so
You
well,
did it.
yeah. I mean, my
Again.
mistakes. No, I think बहुत मुश्किल होता है. I think my respect for other actresses who've done it in the past, and my own self, I think it's gone really high, because it is very difficult, and you need junooniyat at that time to just forget everything, forget you're feeling cold or horrible or whatever you're feeling, and just go for the shot, look your best, do your best, and just
There are a few shots in
kill
the
it.
film where her nose is totally red.
it's red.
Totally red.
And there's dhua coming out of my mouth, and there's a
Did you
shot.
dub those scenes?
No,
No.
it'll be
So
original.
you're saying Junooniyat?
No, those are dubbed. So there's a shot where I have to blow a bubble gum and just talk to him. I couldn't do it only. The only tongue used to come out. I don't know where the bubble gum was.
We were taking that to a simple shot. Bubble gum से bubble बनाना है. How difficult is that? She took some
It is when
200
it's
retakes.
it is when the temperature is around 0 or maybe 1, and पहाड़ी के
It
ऊपर
was -3.
-3, and
Still, mine was fine.
you didn't have to do anything of that sort.
But I showed you how to do it.
Yeah, behind the camera, which
Of
nobody
course.
has proof. Where did you show? You couldn't even talk. You wouldn't even take my name.
She's
also.
done fab job in the movie. She's great in the film. She's danced well. She's performed well.
Oh no, that's that time. That
She's so multi-talented. We had to stop her from singing a track also for the movie. Thank you.
शूट के दौरान ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ रही होगी जो यामी जी की आपके मतलब बहुत अच्छी लगती थी, और एक ऐसी चीज़ जो आपको बहुत बुरी लगती थी?
एक ऐसी चीज जो बुरी लगती थी,
बुरी
और एक अच्छी
अगर
लगती
7 बजे का कॉल टाइम है, 6:45 सेट पे पहुंच जाती है, तो ऐसे लगता है कि मैं लेट आ रहा हूँ.
No, why did we
If
talk
you
about
reach
that
before
Duryodhan
time.
part? Once I got ready, wearing a very beautiful, pretty yellow sari, which I feel I looked really
नारंगी
nice.
रंग की साड़ी.
He called me, "Hello, Duryodhan." ये दुर्योधन की धोती लग रही है.
अरे it looked like महाभारत के सेट से she's got something to wear.
Yeah. So what was this? So much inspiration I had around to look the way I'm looking.
आप दोनों को देख के ऐसा लगता है कि शूट पे काफी मस्ती होती
कुछ
होगी।
नहीं था, बोल तो रही हूँ हम लड़ते थे, और कभी मैं ब्रेड पकौड़े के नाक पे फेंक रही हूँ गलती से, एंड कभी मुझे दुर्योधन बोल रहे हैं नॉट गलती से. सो ऑल दिस यूज्ड टू हैपन, बट ऑल सेड एंड डन. अमेजिंग टू वर्क विद. आई थिंक एक ही कई बार किसी कुछ लोगों के साथ पिक्चर करना मुश्किल हो जाता है. आई हैड टू डू 2 back to back, but it was amazing, I think, working with him. If people are liking me in Nachange, I would say very honestly, you can ask my choreographers, I said please have to dance with him, don't make me look stupid and fool. मेरी कमर तोड़ दो, मेरे पैर तोड़ दो, मेरा सर तोड़ दो, but please make me rehearse. And so I said
टूटा भी था कि
हाँ?
नहीं टूटा था?
हाँ
अरे
बेल्ट से
डांस
मार के
फ्लोर
डांस
टूट गया
कराया
था. So I think he was amazing to work with. So again, very punctual, very professional, very fun to work with, and he'll make sure not just
क्या
for
हो
me,
यार मेरा एडमिशन कराना स्कूल में
not just
वेरी पंचुअल बड़ा ही सिंसियर बच्चा है
और
people know it shows in
we know you're obsessed with school. Pulkit, we know the story, okay? So कुछ बड़ा, हाँ, he loves feeding people. सिर्फ और सबको सेट पे, मतलब अगर कहीं से बादाम आ रहे हैं कहीं दूर से तो अच्छा पुलकित, हाँ जी सबको बादाम खिला रहे हैं, कहीं से कुछ और आ रहा है, पिज्ज़ाज आ रहे हैं जिस दिन सॉन्ग शूट है, मेरे लिए नहीं, कहीं से डोनट्स आ रहे हैं, मेरे लिए नहीं, कहीं से कोल्ड कॉफ़ी आ रही है, मेरे लिए नहीं, तो सबके लिए. सो आई थिंक आई थिंक जब माहौल अच्छा होता है काम करने का, जब अच्छे लोगों के साथ आप काम करते हैं तो काम अच्छा ही आता है और वही काम लोगों को पसंद आता है. सो वी होपिंग लोगों को 17 जून, नॉट 24.
आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? सब कुछ इन्होंने बोल दिया है
ना अब मैं क्या अपनी तारीफ करूँगा शी इज़ ग्रेट टू वर्क विद ऑफ कोर्स she's got a very natural vibe to herself, like she's very natural on screen, and I've said this during ceremony also, that if she's there in front of you, you really don't need to act, that romance just comes out because she's so good, and her presence there just it instantly lights up the entire, her aura is great.
Don't say that light
helps
up and
you.
all, yeah, give light to others, don't crack these jokes now, they'll pick it up. Pulkit Samrat says Yami gives lighting also on the set.
That was true. We used her as a reflector as well so many times.
व्यूवर्स के लिए कोई मैसेज?
So cute she is.
Viewers के लिए कोई message?
हाँ जी.
Please become our viewers. Come and watch Junooniyat on.
On 17 June.
Channel bite थोड़ी देनी है. Say smile and say try.
Please guys.
I am Yami Gautam, and you are gonna watch us on 17 June at a theatre near you. Junooniyat.
June 17 June, guys. Thank you so much for giving us such an amazing response to the trailer, to the songs, to us before. I think in a previous film together. We're coming back again for you, and this time with an entirely different story, and which is, with a lot of families in Punjab, especially the army background, they relate a lot. So it's not just youth centric. अच्छा सिर्फ गाने हैं और youth के लिए पिक्चर है, क्योंकि इसमें क्लब सॉन्ग है, ये वो है, इसमें फैमिली का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एलिमेंट है, इसमें आर्मी का बहुत अच्छा एलिमेंट है, और समथिंग डिफरेंट, समथिंग एंटरटेनिंग. कुछ ज़्यादा सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है, जस्ट कम एंजॉय.
17 जून आ गई. इतना लंबा आंसर.
Thank you.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.